Good day everyone. So today I'm gonna demonstrate my Laravel project, the, the tuition payment fee tracking system. So first I'm gonna show you the Laravel codes. So here we have a controllers, the admin controllers here, and also the dashboard, fee controller, payment, and student. We have also a authentication controllers, cashier, and the student controller. We have also a middleware here, the admin, cashier, and student. Those are controllers. We have also a models, the course, fee, payment, student, and the user. We have also a database, our migrations, our tables, and the resources or views for admin, student, and cashier. So now we gonna go to run the system. So first we gonna type the PHP artisan serve to run the system. So just wait a minute. Here, just click the server. So here we are now in the login form. So first I'm gonna show you the admin dashboard. So here we are now in the admin dashboard. We can see the total students 11 and total payments and total balance. We can see also the recent transactions. We have here the student 1 and Will Serfort. So we have here now the students list. So we can see the student IDs, a full name, course, year level. So here, so we can also do an action, and we can see their status. So now we can add a student. So here we're gonna put a name of student. So as you can see, the student added successfully. Here is the name, Frozel, course, and balance. So here now we can also see courses and their fees. So we have here the available courses on the list, the tuition, and the description. So the admin are the only one can add the courses and students. So we try to add a course. So here we done successfully added the new courses, which is the engineering. So we have here the student fees. Here you can see their total fee, amount paid, remaining balance, and the status. We also see the recent payments, which is student 1 and here will serve for. So now we're gonna go to a cashier. So we are here in cashier dashboard. You can see total payments today, the transaction today, and we can search the student and the list of students and also the recent payments. We can also see we can also um, see the list of students. So here the year level, total fee, and their status. And the cashier uh, can record the payment of the students, like example here in Frozel. Here the amount paid by the student. Cash. Let's record the payment. Here we can see the official receipt of the student. He can or she can print it. So here we are back in the dashboard. We see the recent transactions. Here you can see the new transaction by Frazel, May 28. And so now we're gonna go to the student portal if he can track his payment. So now let's log in as a student. So we have here the dashboard, student dashboard. So we can see the total fee and amount paid and the remaining balance. The amount paid we have here is the payment record by the cashier, and our status partially paid, the profile information, and recent payments here 2000. So we have here in the menu is the balance payments. So here we have 23,000 remaining balance. We have partially paid. And then this is the payment history of the student. He or she paid 2,000 on May 28, 2026, and the payment method is cash. So here uh, the student also can track his payments. So thank you. That's all. Thank you po.